Kannada superstar Puneeth Rajkumar's last rites were performed at Kanti Reva Studios with full state honours. This is the place where his father and legendary actor Dr. Rajkumar has been buried. No public was allowed at the studio, only family and friends were present. Vinay Rajkumar, the elder son of Puneeth's brother, Raghavendra Rajkumar, performed the last rites. Karnataka Chief Minister Basavaraj Bommai, Minister B.S. Yediyurappa and Karnataka Congress President D.K. Shivakumar, along with other politicians, attended the funeral. Several celebrities also attended Puneeth's final journey. Puneeth was fondly called Appu by his fans. He breathed his last after suffering a severe heart attack on 29th of October. The Kannada star donated his eyes, like his father, to become the third one in his family to donate eyes.
We have got a great relation for a long time. It's a very personal bonding is there with the entire family, and more so with Appu. I've seen him as a childhood boy. From those days, we have got a relation. While giving him a final salute, certainly I was emotional.
He acquired the heart of the people. He was called the power star. I would like to name the art star. Art means this star. I think anyone in this country after Amitabh Bachchan, I could see that only to that level as an artist, raising Mr. Puneeth Rajkumar. He had a very big on the social sector. He was a man of humanity who helped all sections of society.
The actor has been laid to rest. It was a private affair. There was a separate area that was dedicated for the fans, and several of these fans have walked several kilometers to come and see or catch the last glimpse of their favorite star, favorite icon. One of them who has come all the way from Gulbarga, another from Raichur, all the way from North Karnataka, all of these people. He straight went to Kantirva Stadium but then couldn't catch hold or couldn't catch the last glimpse of the actor and had to come all the way to Kantirva studio. But then he is left disappointed because he couldn't see the actor, his favorite star, his favorite hero, his idol even.
ನೀನೇ ರಾಜಕುಮಾರ ಹೊಸ ಬೆಳಕೊಂದು ಮೂಡಿದೆಯೊಂದು.
I leave you with that song. You can keep tracking India Today for further updates. This is Pratibha Raman.
My colleague Nabila Jamal is now joining us for the latest. I can see Nolan Pinto joining us as well, and Pratibha also joins us live from Bengaluru. First, let's go straight across to Nabila Jamal. Nabila, if you could just encapsulate all that transpired. I can see a sea of people around you at the moment as well. Get us a few reactions too. Throwing straight across to you.
Right, Chaiti, we are standing right beside the grave of Puneeth Rajkumar. This is what you can see here, the visuals of the grave, where people are, placing some flowers in the last rituals that has just completed. I can't fathom the loss here today. We're so heartbroken to know that an actor par excellence, a human being personified, he's exceptional human being, has left us at such a young age of 46. An ocean of fans who came by from all across different parts of Karnataka who wanted to get a glimpse of this samadhi. In fact, you see here, this is exactly the grave. This is the place where he has been buried here, and full state honours. Remember, Chaiti, this is full state honours with which he was buried. You had the Chief Minister of Karnataka who was present here. You had the former Chief Ministers. You had Yediyurappa, Siddaramaiah, people across party lines, including D.K. Shivakumar, R. Ashok. They were all sitting beside each other only to sort of remember Puneeth Rajkumar, who managed to bind the entire state of Karnataka through his films. He gave so much, he contributed so much to the state of Kannada, the Kannada language, the Kannada culture, that today his loss has really left the entire industry shattered. You had individuals coming in from different parts of the country. I'm talking about people from the film land, from across the Telugu film industry, the Malayalam film industry, people from Tamil film industry who came down only to get one glimpse. I'm going to cut across to the visuals here. I'm not too sure if you can see it, but showing you the visuals of the grave here. That's just been decorated. In fact, Puneeth Rajkumar this is the spot that he's buried. You have a complete police deployment. We're talking about at least 3,000 police personnel who've been deployed across the length and breadth of Karnataka, and predominantly around the Kantirva studio area here, so that there's no untoward incident that takes place. Remember, during the time of Dr. Rajkumar, when he passed away, there were a few people who even died in the push and pull and the chaos that ensued right outside the Samadhi. So police not taking any chance this time and ensuring meticulous planning when it comes to his burial. He belongs to the Ediga community, where their form of cremation is basically a burial. So he's been buried here. He's been buried right beside the Samadhi of his mother, his father, Dr. Parvatama, as well as Dr. Rajkumar, who've been buried right beside is Puneeth Rajkumar, the youngest of the three sons. And that's what's really heartbreaking, because Puneeth Rajkumar is the youngest of the three sons. His brother Raghavendra Rajkumar, for that matter, was still ill for a long time. Puneeth stood by his brother while he was ill. He really worked really hard to ensure that his brother recovered from his illness through and through. So for us to lose Puneeth at this time, at a very crucial juncture, when he was thriving in his at his work, and he was really one of the superstars of the Kannada film industry, for him to die when he was at the peak of his fitness, the peak of his career, has really left us heartbroken. These are visuals coming in. I'm not too sure if you can see it right, but here are the flowers that are being used to decorate the entire grave here. I'm standing right beside, while the family is sitting right out on the outer circle. This is a very intimate ceremony that took place with fans being left outside. Only the family members who've been brought in for this entire ceremony. The complete ritual has now just been completed. The flowers are being decorated around this here, and I'd only say, as I conclude here, Chaiti, that the heavens are brighter today. They have Puneeth Rajkumar, one among them.
That's a nice way to end that. The heavens are brighter today. They've got Puneeth Rajkumar and making the heavens brighter. Nabila Jamal resonating with the sentiment of the fans, family and the near and dear ones of Puneeth Rajkumar. Taking us across to Nolan Pinto as well. Nolan, tell us a little bit more about the full state honours and how the fans are today mourning the demise of the matinee icon. He's gone too soon.
Well, Chaiti, the entire ceremony was to take place yesterday in the evening, and all of a sudden it was decided that they would actually postpone it to Sunday, and it was a good idea what they actually did, because if the entire ceremony would have taken place on Saturday evening, it would have been utter chaos. Initially, they said that around 6 o'clock in the morning, they will actually move his mortal remains from the stadium, that's the Kantirava Stadium, to the Kantirava Studios where we are. And at 4:45, they finally decided to do so. The fans were caught off guard. Everyone was caught off guard. But it was good because they were able to actually bring his mortal remains over here in less than an hour. The Chief Minister, senior cabinet colleagues, opposition leaders, former CMs were all present over here. It was nice to see that cutting across political ideologies and barriers, everyone sat together. This was Puneeth Rajkumar bringing everyone together, bringing the entire Kannada industry and the politicians together. But as of now, in spite of the family members leaving, in fact, 5 minutes ago, we actually saw the late actor's wife and his two daughters walking out, then Shivraj Kumar and Raghavendra Rajkumar. They've all gone home. But the fans in my background, I'm actually going to request my video journalist Shivamurthy to show us the visuals. The gates are still shut. The fans are still standing outside. No one is willing to go. Now, this is problematic for the government and the police, because all this while it was fine. But until they go, the police will not be able to, they will have to divert traffic. And this is a very, very busy stretch of road. It's about 4, 5, 6 kilometers. The fans are not willing to go. They are waving the Kannada flag.
Nolan will be re-established with us. That connection will be re-established with us in just about a bit. But Pratibha is also with us. Pratibha, carry on the baton from where Nolan left.
Well, that's right. Since we are talking about fans, I have a whole lot of them here beside me. In fact, if you have to watch a Puneeth Rajkumar film, it's almost like a treat. It's a festival of sorts when you get into the theatres. Of course, COVID pandemic has kind of changed the entire scenario. But I have with me a theatre owner who seems to say that just when we think that we are at a time when the second wave of the COVID pandemic has kind of ebbed and we are waiting for seeing some revenue, and Puneeth Rajkumar has actually lined up a few films in December, and he was awaiting that release of those films in his theatre, of course, and he is mighty disappointed at this time. It's a great loss. Sir, Puneeth Rajkumar ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಎರಡು ಮಾತು.
ಪುನೀತ್ ರಾಜ್ಕುಮಾರ್ ನಿಧನ ಬಹುಶಃ ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಜನತೆಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ನಷ್ಟವಾಗಿದೆ. ಚಿತ್ರರಂಗ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮಕ್ಕೆ ಭಾಳ ಹೊಡೆತ ಬಿದ್ದಿದೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತಹ ಅದ್ಭುತ ಕಲಾವಿದನ್ನು ಕಳೆದುಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಚಿತ್ರರಂಗ, ನಮ್ಮ ಕಲಾವಿದರು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಬಡವರಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಂಥ ಕಲಾವಿದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಬಹುಶಃ ಯಾವಾಗ ಇನ್ನು ಅಂಥವ್ರು ಸಿಗ್ತಾರೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
Right. He was not just a superstar on reel, but he was a superstar in person as well, because a whole lot of them, if they have to define Puneeth Rajkumar in one word, and that is humility. Everybody has been talking about the kind of simple person that he was. One smile of his would light up the entire world. And like Nabila pointed out, the heavens are smiling. I hope Puneeth Rajkumar is actually listening to this song that is going to be dedicated to him by his fans. On ಹಾಡು ಎಲ್ರು ಜೊತೆಗೆ
ಯಾವುದು ಹಾಡು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ? ಗೊಂಬೆ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೈದೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೈದೆ ನೀನೇ ರಾಜಕುಮಾರ.
Well, this song has been reverberating through the entire stretch right outside Kantiva Stadium. So back to you.
ಪುನೀತ್ ರಾಜ್ಕುಮಾರ್ಗೆ ಅಪ್ಪು 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 ಪವರ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ರಾಜ್ಕುಮಾರ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ, ಕರುನಾಡ ಯುವರತ್ನರಿಗೆ, ವೀರ ಕನ್ನಡಿಗರಿಗೆ.
All right, Pratibha, getting us those reactions coming in from fans of Puneeth Rajkumar. India Today has accessed an exclusive video of Puneeth Rajkumar singing that went viral on social media. The video was recorded just about a few days ago. Other actors of Kannada film industry like Upendra, Ganesh, Sumalatha, Rockline, Venkatesh were also seen in the video. Listen in.
ನಾನಿನ್ನ ನುಡಿಯ ನನಗಾಗಿ ಮೂಕನಾದೆ, ನಾನೇನು ಮಾಡಲೀಗ ನೀ ಕೇಳೆ ಸಖಿ ಬೇಗ. ನಾನಿನ್ನ ನುಡಿಯ ಸೇರಿ ಬೆರಕಾಗಿ ಮೂಕನಾದೆ.
ಈಗ ಇವರು ಗುರು ಒಂದು ಹಾಡು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಬರಿ ಹೋಳು
ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಮೆಲೋಡಿಯಸ್ ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಯೌವನವೇ ಐ ಲವ್ ಯು. ಹೃದಯಗಳ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಫೇಲು ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗೋಗಿದೆ. ಸುಮ್ನೆ ನತ್ತವಳೆ ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಮಿಂಚ್ತವಳೆ.
Stepping to a very short commercial break. When we return, Home Minister Amit Shah pays tribute to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel in Kevadia in Gujarat.